I'd like to explore with you a summary of what many experts have found about how people are satisfied. This will be an important model for you as we explore worldviews that affect your life. While there is a lot to learn, we might agree that worldviews which lead to the greatest satisfaction would be the worldviews that we should desire to have, to guide our lives. But each person is complex with many different experiences. We need to patiently explore our worldviews. This model will give us a framework to do that. We have already mentioned that the body and the spirit each have direct influences that determine their respective satisfaction. That is, your physical health, sensuality, appearance, and mobility are some of the inputs to how well your body is doing. Your spirit may yearn to know how the spirit world relates to you and how your eternal destiny is determined. We earlier looked at 6 dimensions that satisfy the soul, but satisfying the soul is a bit tricky. The body and the spirit compete for influence on your soul. Sometimes the material world has priority to influence the soul's satisfaction, and sometimes the experience of the spirit will influence the satisfaction of the soul. An interesting challenge to worldview is that satisfying one form of life does not automatically satisfy all other forms. In fact, often satisfying one need can result in another need becoming dissatisfied. Can you think of something that makes you happy in one way, but not happy in another? This complexity is what makes worldview interesting, because one of the major roles of worldview is understanding events that can in some way satisfy us, but in other ways be unsatisfying to us. For example, what happens when a person commits suicide? What form of life are they usually trying to satisfy? The body, soul, or the spirit?